Hello my dear friends, welcome to the world of colors. Have you ever wondered that how we are able to see the colors? We always thought that colors in the object is inbuilt. But when we study the perception of these colors in respect to other animals, it really surprises us. The berries which appears red to us appears very different to birds. The yellow petals appear greenish to the bees, while the grey rat appears in this manner under the infrared vision to the snakes. This shows that the color is not the property of an object, but it's the matter of perception. We can see the colors due to the light entering into our eyes. That means no light, no colors. In this concept, both physics and biology works together. Let us see one by one both these aspects. In physics, Sir Isaac Newton has proved that white light is being made up of 7 colors. These 7 colors are referred to as spectrum. This spectrum is actually our visible range of vision. This visible range of our vision is actually a very small part of electromagnetic spectrum, which comprises of 7 main colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. But here it is very important to know that there are only 3 primary colors from where the different colors appear. These 3 primary colors are green, red and blue. The intervention of these 3 colors make all the different shades in the world. Now let us study how we are able to see these colors. We all know that when light falls on any object, it can be absorbed or transmitted or can be reflected. It depends on the property of the object that which part or which color of the light will be absorbed or transmitted or being reflected. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Let us say that the white light is falling on this pencil. Actually, this white light is not the single light. It comprises of 3 primary colors: green, red and blue. Let us assume that this pencil have the property to absorb blue and red light. Then obviously green light will be reflected back. And as green light is reaching to our eyes, it seems that this pencil is green in color. Let us now take another example. Let us say the property of this pencil is to absorb red and green light. That means now in this case only blue light will be reflected and will reach to our eyes. So it seems that this pencil is blue in color, while the other 2 colors are being absorbed. Now let us see how we are able to see the colors. When light enters into our eyes, it forms an image on the retina. This retina is being made up of 2 main sensory cells. They are rods and cones. These sensory cells transmit the information directly to the brain through the optic nerve. When we zoom in the retina, we can easily see the rods and cones. They get their name from their shape. Rods are rod shape while cones are cone shape. Rods are responsible to see the objects in the dim light, while the cones help us to see the colors. As we are talking about colors, let us now only talk about cones. There are three types of cones in our eyes, that is on retina. They are green, blue and red. When blue light enters into our eyes, these blue cones become activate and pass the information to the brain about the blue color. The other shades in the nature is easily been seen by the intervention of these three primary colors. When all the three enters into our eyes, we can see white light, as we should remember that these three colors are actually the component of white. So this was the biology of the colors. I hope now whenever you will see the colors in the nature, you will always remember the physics and biology hidden under the science of these colors. Thank you for watching this video.